Hello and welcome back to another basic video on place value with the hope of helping anybody who's looking at this video. So today we're looking again at larger numbers and the value of the numbers, and also how you say the numbers, because it can be quite confusing. Very quickly, obviously, this first number here is a unit, which is 7 units. Then we move on to the tens, which is 3 tens. That's 30. And then the next one over is hundreds. So that's equal to 700. The next one over again is thousands, which is 10 times bigger than hundreds. And that's equal to 1000. As we move over, we have tens of thousands. So the value of this digit is equal to 10,000. As we move over, we get to hundreds of thousands. And as we move over again, we get to millions. Okay. So the way we would say this number is 4,211,737. So you stop after the comma for the thousands. Let's read this number out. 4 million, the comma there again, so you stop. 11,000, you stop again, 737. The next number down is 4,001,737. The next number down, 4,737. The next number down again, 4,037. And the next number down, 4,007. And the final number is 4 million. Now, some of the types of questions that you can get, we're going to go through just three questions that can come up in relation to place value, okay? So the first one is write number words in figures. So what we have here is we have a number word, and the number word is 4,011,012. 4,011,012. And we have to write this number word in figures. Now, figures actually is another word for numbers or digits or numerals. So sometimes you can have a number word written down in words like 4,011,012, and you have to change it into figures. We don't want words anymore. And figures is another word for numbers or digits or numerals. So you could be asked to change the number word into digits, numbers or numerals, as well as figures. These words all have the same meaning. So the way you write this number word into figures is this way: 4,011,012. I hope that makes sense. And of course, you could get the opposite question to write in words, in which case you would change 4,011,012 into the number words above. And the final type of question that you could get, or that commonly occurs, is to write the value of the underlined digit. Now, in this case, you can see that the digit is not the unit, it's not the 10, it's not the hundreds, it's not the thousand, it's the tens of thousands. So the value of this digit here is 10,000. I hope this makes sense. All the best.